right, we are off to Hunt's Gardens. So excited about it.
Located in the heart of St. Joseph. The lush, vibrant garden we see today was once a simple gully, approximately 150 feet deep and 500 feet wide.
The rainforest now we're in, isn't it?
Is this new? Tranquil.
So tranquil. Wow. That is beautiful. Table.
The gardens were created by Anthony Hunt in a collapsed cave and were opened to the public in 2007. So I pointed out the blinky.
Isn't that hope for me? Amazing. The two of us.
Can get also something to drink. We have a menu on the table if you need something to drink.
Thank you.
Yes. One is Bathsheba. Oh yeah, Mr. Hunt is alive.
Is he normally here?
Yes.
Oh wow,
Really?
gotta
Oh,
come
nice.
again.
He's there all the time.
Is he?
Unless days that he go out and he get
I did a lot of research about him. I'd love to meet
How
him.
old is he?
Oh yeah, he's a very interested man to meet and have a conversation.
Yeah.
We would sit here and chat the whole day with
Oh,
him.
brilliant.
Oh, wow, got
Love
to come
it.
back then.
Definitely.
And it's the way it's planted, the way it's arranged, the way Mr. Hunt done it. You will not find it at any other garden. The color, all the statues and the pots,
Beautiful.
and the different
Yeah,
levels.
The
That one make
sculptures,
it
yeah, we
more
love those.
interesting than the rest of the garden. The rest of the garden on the island.
We made a good
Okay.
choice coming here than
yes,
choosing this one.
Yes.
And his impact on St. Joseph has not just been just St. Joseph, he's actually impacted on like
On the whole island, yeah.
the whole island.
Because Mr.
For
Hunt
one
had
person.
owned a plant nursery from the time he was, if I was saying, his 40s. So he used to travel the world, import plants and get more and sell. So he's famous for Hunt's Nursery. You could have come anywhere on the island at Hunt's and get plants.
Wow.
To think I lived here. I lived here when I was a little girl, studied in school here. And I'm learning more about this island now than when I lived here. Amazing, isn't it?
Oh, it's a small island. There's so much different ones.
So much.
Yeah.
Besides gardening, Anthony Hunt has a love for classical music.
Yes, because this looks like a cheese plant that you have in your house. It's humongous.
I don't even know where to start. Look at this plant. It's fabulous.
This amazes me with these trees, how straight the trunks are. And the same diameter almost all the way up.
I just got some good age on that. It's beautiful and botanical.
It's like a tropical paradise.
It is. We've got to come back to meet Mr. Hunt.
You can see that sea. Joy needs some assistance, she's getting a bit wobbly. Quick!
Oh my god!
Quick! You can see how coconut trees end up growing on the beach, because look, there's one there.
Oh, there's several, look!
There's one there.
Look.
There's one there.
There's several!
And over there, there's loads of coconuts. Just stopped a little
place at the side of the road because Joy wanted to get some fruits.
That's Joy.
With Mark.